Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Tanmay Roy, and student of BA first year of Government Chhatrasal PG College, Panna, MP. So I'm able to speak here today because of our coordinator, Mr. M.K. Shukla, and Honorable Mr. D.P. Kushwaha. Thanks for giving me this precious opportunity to speak here. So let's get started. So today I'm here to introduce a very specific topic which is arriving day by day in our country. Yeah, which government has approached, which is new education policy 2020. So whenever we are learning about education policy 2020, so what comes in our mind first? So our mind turns into what is it? So first of all, let me explain what is education policy. So guys, it is a type of policy. Here government will approach all the students of our upcoming generation to educate themselves and to become a literate. So finally here for knowing the education policy 2020 we have to go to 2014. So let's go to 2014. In 2014 when BJP government arrived, at that time our education minister Miss Smriti Irani collapsed with Mr. KR Kasturi Rangan. At that time they changed the education policy that was approached at the time of Mr. Rajiv Gandhi. Yeah guys, so it was not implemented. So right now in 2020 it is implemented. So guys, after 34 years the education policy have discovered a big role. Yeah guys, so finally we can see that in 1992 there was little bit changes in education policy, but right now we can see after 34 years many changes arrive here and everyone can get educated. So what does it mean? And so I will give you a short explanation what is it and how it is implementing our country. So guys, first of all, government is trying to approach our students, our country, our development and our economy. For that, first of all, very important thing is our education system. So first of all, our education system must be grown up. So all the upcoming generation, those who are going to enlighten our country, yeah guys, so government is approaching them to study and become literate. Yeah guys, so many times you have saw that in European culture they merge education with culture. So here government is also try to rise up our culture with merging it with education system. Yeah, here all the students will get education with merging the cultural process because of western education and some European countries culture. Here all the students are developing day by day and they are forgetting our culture. So government want to know them there is also a heritage and culture which our India have, and for that our India was known as, Hindi we can say, a Sone ki chidiya. Yeah guys, so our India was first of all known as Sone ki chidiya. So here government is approaching us to become a literate person in every situation. So guys, first of all you can see that many of the students are not able to study because of the financial status of their family. Right now government is providing digital education to them. Yeah, so many of the people are physically disabled, they also can't study, they also can't go to school, colleges, etc. So here government is approaching that digital education will be provided to all the students where everyone will be able to study and able to literate here. So right now, and guys, government is changing the real policy. Yeah guys, so first of all our policy where we have to study 10 plus 2 process. So right now the process is changed to 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. Yeah guys, and here you have the option to choose your mother language. So here you can complete your entire education in your mother tongue. No language barrier will be there. Yeah guys, so first of all there was language barrier. All the students were facing a lot of language barrier process, that if they choose a language then they have to work in that language only. So right now here till class 5th you can study well with your mother tongue only. Okay, so government don't create any type of misleading process. Yeah, government is leading us and this is really a approachable thing that we have to approach our government as well as we can do. Okay, so finally guys, here government is also approaching our culture. In western education and European education you can see that all the peoples in western side or in European countries, they are merging their culture with their education system. So right now government is approaching our culture as well as our education. Yeah guys, so government is merging our education with culture. So here all the students, those who are studying in school or in colleges or in universities, so they all will be able to learn our culture also. Because of many further process, our students are developing day by day and they are forgetting what is our culture. So right now government is approaching our culture, that we are also having a culture and we must follow it and we must work on it. So if we forgot our culture, then what will happen? We will not be an Indian. Yeah guys, so first of all, if we want to live in India, then we have to learn the culture, what old people were doing and what in our ancient period people were doing. Okay, so this is very necessary. So these were the some of the points that I wanted to explain you. So maybe you understand a little bit about education policy 2020. So thanks for watching the video and have a nice day.